2011 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo GSR. 82,668 is what the odometer reads at the moment. Of course, underneath the hood, the 2-liter inline 4-cylinder that is turbocharged. 5-speed manual transmission as we go ahead and check out this front fascia. Another carbon fiber style hood, heat extractor hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It is also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. And to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you're going to find those. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Brembo brakes up front, slotted and drilled rotors. Does have the Recaro bucket seats in the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Come around to the rear, get a look at the wing. And as you can also see, I left the window up here in the driver's side. I wanted to show you, it does have the tinted windows, side and rear, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Take your time looking through them. This particular color, graphite gray pearl. Take a look up and down the passenger side. There's a few spots where you might have a little nick here or there, but the car's been driven. One of those get in, have some fun. Of course, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Get a little better look at these Recaro bucket seats. Seven internal airbags in this car, even one for the driver's knees. A little bit of trivia. All right, let's fire this up so you hear it run. And take a look at the exact miles here too, because what I said, 82668. Take a look at the top of the dash. And again, AC blows cold. Stereo's working. Gauges, all good there. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. It's beeping because I have the key fob in my pocket. An idea how it sounds. Put the key back inside here a second. We're also going to pop the hood. Different hood on it, it does not have a prop rod. So I'm going to just kind of hold the hood. Let's take a peek at the engine bay here. Again, 2-liter, inline, 4-cylinder, turbocharged. Just shy of 300 horse, and does have 300 pound-feet of torque. Get a cold air intake there. Obviously a popular power plant. There you go, 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo GSR. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase of this vehicle, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer. As you can see, The snow is pretty much gone in Minnesota and the roads are nice and dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. This Lancer is a 5-speed stick. We got digital gauges. Temperature is halfway up the gauge. Fuel is showing a 1/4 tank. Let's get her on the road and see how she feels. Seats fit very well. So you straighten out here and see. Yeah, goes straight down the road. Maybe a little bit tipping to the right, but it's a windy day today in Minnesota. Go around the circle here and accelerate one more time. The odometer on the dash says 82,000 miles. 667.